Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Log into Skywards and verify contact details so offers reach you. Next, link a credit card or partner account to start earning miles automatically. This saves manual transfers later. Once done, check your balance and tier because that dictates redemption options and upgrade eligibility. Make sure to note any miles expiring in the next 6 months so you can prioritize those for use or inexpensive extension options. Now focus on maximizing value. Search Saver Awards first because they often require fewer miles. However, consider Flex if you need changeability. Once you find options, expand date search by +/3 days to save miles. Then evaluate Cash Plus Miles and Upgrade Awards. These can stretch value when seats are limited. Also look at partner airlines, hotel nights, or car rentals where a mile can be worth more. Once you compare, pick the booking route that gives finish by completing the redemption. Pay any taxes or fees, confirm ticket numbers, and add seats or baggage as needed. At check-in, use your upgrade certificates or Cash Plus Miles options if available. Recheck award availability as last-minute seats sometimes open. If miles do not post or a booking looks wrong, immediately contact Skywards support with your booking reference, transaction ID, and screenshots. This speeds resolution. If things stall, ask for escalation and note the case number for follow-up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.